What's up everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be giving you a awesome display for your baby shower, especially if it's a teddy bear theme. So first we're going to start off by making the cloud for the teddy bear to sit on, and I hope you guys enjoy. All right, here I'm going to take the small cluster first, just one. Then I'm going to take the three large clusters next. And then I'm going to take the last small cluster. And that's the order I'm going to put the balloons in so it can be shaped like a cloud. Here I kind of missed some steps, so I wanted to explain. So what I did, I made 4 sets of 8 clusters, and then I took a 260 cube and tied them together and kind of moved them around until I got the shape that I was looking for. You can use whatever colors or amount of colors you would like to use. Here is your choice.